Hey guys, I am outside my house in Columbus, Ohio at 3 a.m. You can probably hear the crickets. And this is when I usually like to fit in most of my extracurricular activities. I have accepted the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge from my good friend Amy Music and my mom, Karen Jarvis. I want to do this in memory of Ted, a very good man I knew who lost his life to Lou Gehrig's disease. I hope that the awareness and funds donated will continue to aid in the research towards finding a cure. I want to nominate 3 people for this challenge. First, Tony Rogers, who is my close childhood friend and Ted's stepson. Should be easy, Tony, just like a nice cold swim in Lake Huron. Also, Adam Wade and Damon Mosley, a couple of guys I know who are up for any challenge. Okay, let's do this. Ice. I think that's enough. Here we go. That's how it's done.